Alright guys, I got a quick 10-minute full body kettlebell and body workout for you today. It's going to be simple. We're going to go just 10 minutes on the minute. We're going to do high pull catches, kettlebell high pull catch, bell by your toes. You're going to use that hip power to shoot the bell up. We're going to go 10 reps of those. We're going to go right into our goblet squats, and then we're going to go into our strict push-ups. 5, 5, and 5 on the minute, 10 minutes. Let's do it. Alright, here we go. So, let me grab my clock. Let's do it. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we're going to go chrono. I'm going to go on a minute. If this works, we're going to go 10 minutes. Alright, so grab your bell. Let's get going. I'll give you 15 seconds. Shake it out. If you need a warm up before, pause this, do a little quick mobility warm up. 5 minutes or so and get going. We're going to jump right into it today. Alright, so we're going to go up. Alright, so I'm going to set it. Let's get this going. So remember, quality over quantity as always. Do not do something if it hurts. Do not move into pain. It should feel challenging, but it should never hurt you, all right? If you need to reduce the reps from 5 to 4 to 3, whatever you need to do, don't go higher than 5. 5 is the most we do. But if you need to drop the reps down, do that. I'm using a medium bell today, a 44 kilo, not 44 kilo, 44 pound, 20 kilo bell, all right? So medium bell, all right? Usually I train with a little bit heavier bell. It's going to be a quick one, so less rest, lighter weight. All right, here we go. So 5 seconds. Hope you got your bell ready. Let's knock this out. Here we go. 3. We're going to start with the high pull catches. 2, 1, up. 5 high pull catches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adjust your feet. Right into goblet squats, guys. 1, 2. Control down. 3, 4. 5. Sit down safely. All right, 5 strict push-ups. I want everything lined up. Pack those shoulders. 5 strict control push-ups, as low as you can go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, shake it out. Shake that one out. All right, guys, shake it out, shake it out. Alright guys, going straight to it. It's going to be high octane one. It's going to be a little high heart rate. But I want you to focus on good quality here. Shake it out, shake it out. You know what? My plan was to go full on the minute. That's not enough rest. I know it's going to be exhausting for you. I want quality over quantity, alright? So we're going to go every 1 minute and a half. So we should get about 7 to 8 sets in. Alright, here we go. 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 goblet squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Set it down, all right? Slide out of the way. 5 strict push-ups. Here we go. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right. Shake it out. You rock, guys. Woo. All right, all right, all right. So, remember, I'm always about quality over quantity. I plan to do on the minute, but 15 total reps, everything's a lot. You want to have quality, so you want to be exhausted going to the next set. So, on the minute, minute and a half, you can push yourself and you can go a little bit longer, minute and a half if you need to. I mean, if you can, if you build up to that. But minute and a half is good, all right? Here we go. Speaking of, it's already time. See how fast that goes? Here we go. Ready? 5 high pull catches, squats, push-ups. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. 5 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, good work. work, guys. Let's get it. 5 push-ups. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Shake it out. Quick lesson here. Sometimes you plan to do, if you have direct programming, you know, you have a set amount of reps, but some days you're just not feeling it. Some days you need to back down the weight or you need to back down the reps. So today we're backing down, we're decreasing the length of time, but we're also, right now, we're gonna drop down the reps, right? So I wanna get it a little bit more than we used to, we're planned, so we're gonna go to 4, right? Let's go to 4, 4, 4. 4 of each. If you're already doing that, it's fine. If you wanna stick with 5, you can stick with 5. Let's see how 4 goes. We might go to 3, we might go back up to 5, all right? I'm trying to gauge how I feel, this is how you feel. On the minute and a half, still a good workout. All right, here we go. 4 goblet squats, or 4 high pull catches. 4 squats, 4 push-ups. Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, set that down. 4 straight push-ups, guys, come on. Set, line up, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, a little bit less fatigue there. Great work, great work. Shake it out. Woo! So, let's try ladder today. You know what? I was doing for 5, but let's go 5, 4, 3. Ladder back up, vary it, right? Still gonna be a push. I know you're still having a challenge for your workout. Still pushing you, all right? We got 5 minutes left. Let's push it. Let's go 3, then ladder up 4, 5, all right? So, 3 high pull catches, 3 goblet squats, 3 strict push-ups. My heart rate's tight still. I know yours probably is. Let's shake it out. All right. Shake it out. All right, guys. All right. We're probably time for 3 more sets, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna go on that 30 seconds. Once you get your heart rate down a little bit. Mine's high. I know yours is probably high too, all right? So let's shake it out, let's move around. You know, you just gotta listen to your body sometimes. Sometimes you can push it harder. Some days you need to back down a little bit so you can do higher quality reps. All right, here we go. 10 seconds, 3 of each of these. All right, here we go. Couple deep breaths. All right, here we go. Set, go. 1, 2, 3. 3 squats. 1, 2. 1 more. Here we go. Up. 3. All right. Slide it around. 3 strict pushes. Make them good, guys. Slow them down a little bit. Down. Up. 1. Down. Up. 2. Down. Up. 3. Good. I like the 3. I like the 3. All right. Shake that out. Shake it out. All right. We're going to go back up to 4, guys. Let's try that. 4. I should make this 5, 4, 3 ladder. I like ladders because it challenges you but allows you to have more rest in between. All right, here we go. So we're going back to 4. All right. Here we go. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squats. 1, 2. Come on, 2 more. 3. 1 more. 4. 4 strict push-ups. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Down, up. 1, 2. Down, up. 3. Down, up. 4. Good. All right. Good work, guys. One more set. We'll knock it out together. We're gonna finish with 5. Let's finish with the bang here. All right, we're gonna go minute and a half rest. We're gonna go to 9.5. Counter mark. So shake it out. This 1 minute rest is gonna be great. So I want you to move around, shake your body out, shake the tension out. Breathe in slow through the nose, out through the nose, slow as you can. All right, this is gonna be a good one. This is gonna be a good finish, guys. And then that's it, and we finish strong. All right. All right. There we go. Plus, resting feels awesome. Means your next set's gonna be high quality. All right, here we go, guys. So we're gonna go 5 hypo catch, 5 squat, 5 strict push-up. Then we're done. That's it. That's our 10-minute mark. All right. So we're gonna start at 9:20. I want to give us about 40 seconds to do this exercise. This set, superset. All right. So here we go. 5 of each. All right. Game face on. Let's go. Let's finish strong. Here we go. Set. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Last set of goblet squats. 5. Make them good. Down. Up. 1. Down. Up. 2. Down. Up. 3. Come on. 2 more. Down. Up. 4. Down. Up. 5. All right. Set it down. Let's finish up 5 of your best push-ups today. Here we go. Oh, there's a timer. Let's finish. We still got it. Let's go. Set. 5 push-ups. Go. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 4. Last one. Strong. 5. All right. That's it, guys. That's my 10-minute 3K combo kettlebell bodyweight workout for today. In and out in 10 minutes. All right. Excellent job. Go work today. Shake it out. Take these last couple minutes to cool it down. Shake it out in your body. Pack yourself on the chest, the back. You shit up. You give yourself those 10 minutes to do a workout when you could have been scrolling for 10 minutes. Don't waste that time. Invest that time. Make it better you, all right? Shake it out, move around, cool it down. So if you're done, if you guys gotta go, if all you got was 10 minutes, you gotta go. Awesome job. Thanks for showing up. I'll see you on the next video, all right? Oh, and grab my free full body workout below. Absolutely free quick workout you can do at home as well. Otherwise, if you have a couple more minutes, let's cool it down with me, all right? Let's do it. Let's do it. Deep breath, shake it out. It's important to cool down, guys. So you always want to make a few minutes to cool down and stretch. I get it if you only have 10 minutes and you squeeze in that workout, maybe during lunch or whatever, break time, you know. All right, so it's feet together, reach up, toes, and then shake it out. Up, side to side. Good job, guys. You guys are doing awesome. All right, so we did legs, full body, squat. We did the hip. We did the knee joint, all right? We did elbow, shoulder. We did it all. Push, hinge with the hypo catch and the squat. 3K combo, that's what I'm about. You can knock it out in a short period of time. So with that said, stretch your shoulder. Okay, stretch it out real quick. Nice and easy, cross your body. Nice. All right, other side, stretch it out. Enjoy this stretch, guys. Sorry about that dog. There's a crazy dog. I don't know. They keep barking. I don't know. Can't stop them. All right, here we go. So we're gonna stretch our quad now. So ankle, hip, line it up. Stretch that quad, nice and easy. Hip forward. That's gonna make sure you stretch that quad all the way to the top of the hip, all the way to the knee. All right. The quad muscle runs hip to knee. All right. Well, the rectus femoris. We're not gonna go scientific, but that's the major muscle here and the intermedius. Hip, all with the knee joint. Good, all right, stretch other side, stretch it out, hip forward, pull that foot, 10-second hold. So remember that during your cool down, just enjoy the cool down, enjoy letting your heart rate come down, enjoy the recovery phase, because this is what you're recovering. This is how to recover and get back for the next video, the next workout, tomorrow, whenever you do it, all right? So this is a hamstring stretcher. I want you to straighten that leg out. I want you to bend this knee. I'm gonna hold that. Make sure your back stays straight. Hold that one, 10 seconds. Couple deep breaths. One more. Good. Other side, same thing. Stretch it out. Bend the knee, hinge forward. This leg straight. You're doing it all the way in the back of the leg here. Gotta stretch all those hamstrings all the way up to your glutes, all right? So come low as you can. Stretch it out. But make sure you keep that back straight, chest up. 3 deep breaths. 2. Every time you exhale, you want to go a little bit more into the stretch. Last one. Good. All right. And our last one I like to do, take care of those knees, guys. So, well, real quick, let's do some hip circles. Those hips worked a lot with the squat and the hypo cat, so a couple hip circles. These are things I like to warm up with. If you see my full body mobility workout video, you can check that out. You know what? I'll put that right here so you can check it out. So you check that out, my full body mobility workout video. To warm up, get your body going, right? Some hip circles, warm up the hips. So if you want to come back, do that video and jump in and do this quick workout, knock it out, you're gonna feel awesome after, all right? So, I'll put that here. So knees together, feet together, knee rolls, 5 and 5, nice and easy knee rolls, all right? 3, 4, 5, on the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, nice, and 5. All right, now we're going to reach up, stretch full tension of the body, stretch for the reach for the sky, on the toes, and then shake it out, let out the tension one more time. Reach. Shake it out. All right, guys, thanks for showing up with me, spending this 10 minutes for your workout, a couple more minutes for the cool down, and giving yourself what you need, a good workout for the day. Either finish the day, midday, end the day, finish strong, start strong, whatever it is, you got it done, all right? So thanks for showing up today. I'll see you in the next video. Again, I will put my 15-minute full body mobility workout video in this just right here, so you can grab it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, right up here, so you know when my next videos are gonna come out. And sneak peek, I am gonna start doing live videos on YouTube, so subscribe if you haven't, so you can know when those are starting, all right? They're gonna start in a couple days, so I want you to know, and you can plan it out so you can join me live, you can do workouts live, all right? So, till then, guys, thanks for showing up, thanks for doing this for yourself, being your A game, starting strong, and finishing strong. And remember, and again, if you want that free full body workout report down here, full body workout, another quick workout you can do in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, how much time you have, grab that below. It's absolutely free. You can grab that, pick that up, so you have another workout you can do whenever you have time, all right? Whenever you have 15 minutes or so during the day, you can knock it out. All you need is a kettlebell and your body weight, all right, guys? So have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video. Check that out here. Train strong, get after it.